Hello, I'm Maurice Beinat. I'm Technical Director at ecoMaster, and today I want to talk drapes. Well, heavy line drapes like these are considered to be the most thermally efficient window coverings available, but only with a pelmet. Now the pelmet's very important because it eliminates the airflow behind the drapes, between the drapes and the glass. Why is that important? Well, imagine that we're heating in the winter time and our warmest air is up here and it finds its way behind the drapes and it gets cooled by the cold glass. It becomes heavier and drops to the bottom, comes out the bottom, and as it does so it draws more warm air in the top. So you can see that it's going to be a continuous cooling cycle for your home. In the summertime it runs the opposite way. Air from behind the drapes gets warmed by the hot glass that comes into your home and draws cooler air in the bottom, and so it's a continuous heating cycle in the summertime. So that's why the pelmet is very important, to stop that airflow behind the drapes. But when we think of pelmets, we think of box pelmets, maybe like this one. But if you don't like the idea of box pelmets, then ecoMaster Invisible Pelmets might be the thing for you. They stop the airflow as well, but they're almost invisible. So if you've got drapes on a track without a pelmet, get yourself some ecoMaster Invisible Pelmets. They're going to make your home much more thermally and energy efficient at very little cost.